Well, here we are on the Firebird again. Look at that. I got a cowling in there. I'll show you what I got. Cowling's painted. I got some weld-through primer. On the inside, you can't see it. There's some seam seal that goes inside. It goes from this panel where it goes down on the inside, and there's like a seam on both sides. I was able to seam seal those, and so I used my clamps and my screws and buzz this dude back in there and keep moving forward. Look at that. That's in. That's done. Let me show you. So plug welds all done. I had to do extra on this one. There's not this many in there when I first took it out, but I wanted to make sure that the panel that comes up touched the cowl panel really well, no bridging. And so got to put our vent plate back in, and there's another piece that goes across here for the dash, but that's in. Next up, seam seal and some painting. All right, got it all pulled in, working against the weather. So I got some filler primer on it, and then I've got some sealer I'm gonna put on it. I'm probably gonna wet sand the top of the dash and where the windshield goes. Just wet sand that out, then scuff the rest of it and put the sealer on, and then I'll get it ready for the satin black, the hot rod satin black that's coming. All right, as you can see, I got this, it's wet, got the sealer on, and this is what I used. U-pole primer sealer. This stuff is worse than the other one. It's spit and spattered, and see, that's a wet paint, that's paint. And if you wipe it off, it takes it all the way down. It takes everything off. So I'll have to, you can see it right there, that semicircle. I have to try to wet sand that out because you're gonna see it. But otherwise, it's all done. Seam sealer, done, done, done. Both sides. So this front end, once I get the cowling painted, can go back together before I forget how it goes. Well guys, that's going to do it for today's episode. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget that subscribe button, and hey, share it. Somebody else may like it that you know. Have a great day.